Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com/admin. On the left corner, select Online Store, then select Pages. First, input the title of Track Your Order. And then in the content, paste the code of your tracking order. Once done, scroll down and select Save on the bottom right. Wait for the website to finish loading once again. And then in here you should get a check mark that says Track Your Order Created. On the left corner once again under Online Store, select Navigation. In here, select the icon that says Add Menu. Once you are now here, give the menu a title. Let's give it an example name. Let's say Track Your Order. Once done, select Save on the bottom right. In here, you can select Add Menu Item. On the right corner, you'll be able to give it a name. And then, under your link, or under your link, you can add here your tracking order number. Now select Add on the bottom right. Once you have added a menu item, you can save this by clicking on Save Menu on the bottom right. For now, go back. You should now be back in the Navigations tab. Under Navigations tab, select Footer Menu. In here, give it a title. Select Menu Items, then Add Menu Item. In here, give it a name once again, and then search or paste a link on the second bar, then select Add on the bottom right once done. Once done, your menu should now be updated. Go back this time. Then under Navigation, you can also have another menu by clicking on Main Menu. Once you're now here, you can add another menu item. You can give it a name, add the link, and then add everything by pressing on the Add button on the bottom right. Once done with everything, on the left corner, select Themes this time. Under Themes, select Customize on your default theme. In here, now you can show the option Track Your Order. Click that and everything will now show in detail. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.